So now let's see how we can generate reference list inside of Microsoft Copilot. So over here you can see that I got this Wikipedia page right here, and at the bottom you can see that I have these a reference list right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and copy this out right here and then give it to Copilot right here, I can ask it to change the reference format as well. Let's say, for example, I can say I'm going to send a reference list in the next message. Change it into Harvard style of referencing right here, just like this. Press enter right here, just like this, and then what happens is that it goes around and converts this particular reference list into Harvard style, as you can see, just like this right here. So now you can see that I got the date and everything else right here. I can also go around and tell it to change it now into APA style right here, just like this, and press enter. So once you go around and do that, what happens is that now it gets converted into APA style, as you can see right here, just like this. So now I'm going to go around and say now change it into MLA style right here, just like this, and then what happens is that it goes around and changes it into MLA style. And that is how you can go around and generate out reference list, as you can see right here, as you provide it out. What I can also do is I can go around and say now make citations, in-text citations. Let's just go around and say in-text citations for each of the references right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, what happens is that it goes around and then says this right here. So you can see that there's in-text citations right here, just like this, like it is giving out examples. I'm just going to go around and say give in-text citations in points right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, what happens is that you can see that that is what you have right here in points. It gives it out right here. So that is how you can go around and then generate out referencing and then in-text citation reference as well from Microsoft Copilot. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.